Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to schedule shutdown in Windows 11. Do you sometimes forget to shut down Windows 11? If so, maybe you should consider scheduling the shutdown to ensure your PC shuts down, even when you forget to select for it to do so. It's also a good idea to schedule a shutdown when you need to wait for a big game download to finish. You can set up a shutdown timer in Windows 11 with a relatively simple command. That timer will shut down the PC after its specified countdown time has elapsed. So, you can schedule a PC to shut down after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or more hours by entering that command. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. So let's see how to schedule shutdown with Run. First, press the Windows key +X hotkey, which will open a Win+X menu. Select Run on the menu to open the window for that accessory. Type the following shutdown timer command in the open box, then click OK to set the timer. Windows 11 will shut down after the number of seconds set by your timer command. You will need to replace XXXX in that command with an actual numerical time value. Entering a value of 1 would set Windows to shut down in 1 second. Entering 3600 will set Windows to shut down in an hour. There are some more time values, and this is how you can schedule shutdown with Run. Now, let's see how to set up a shutdown timer through desktop shortcut. First, right-click at empty space on your desktop to select the New and Folder options. Then enter the shutdown timer command in the item location box. Click Next to go to the final step. Enter a title for the shortcut in the text box and select the Finish option. Thereafter, click the scheduled shutdown shortcut you just added to the desktop. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.